Are you noticing sagging skin? It affects many people. Aging, dehydration, and environmental factors play a role. Today, we'll talk about two amazing products. First, we explore hyaluronic acid or HA. Next, we'll introduce an anti-aging moisturizer for normal skin. Hyaluronic acid has become a skincare superstar. It's renowned for hydrating, plumping, and brightening. It's suitable for all skin types. HA holds up to 1,000 times its weight in water. This makes it perfect for plumping skin. Start by choosing a hyaluronic acid serum. Apply it on clean, damp skin. This helps your skin absorb the moisture better. Follow up with your regular moisturizer. This locks in hydration for lasting effects. Now, let's introduce the anti-aging moisturizer. It's formulated specifically for normal skin. It contains essential vitamins and nutrients. This moisturizer works to improve skin elasticity. It gives you that radiant, youthful glow. Imagine starting your day with plump, radiant skin. With HA, you can transform your skincare routine. You'll feel confident and refreshed throughout the day. In summary, hyaluronic acid is key for hydration. The anti-aging moisturizer enhances skin's natural beauty. Combine these products for timeless radiance. Ready to elevate your skincare routine? Try incorporating hyaluronic acid and the anti-aging moisturizer today. Embrace your journey to youthful skin. Go to avidasana.com to order your beauty supplements today.